Welcome to the future of luxury travel, where comfort and design collide. Today, we're stepping inside one of the most stunning motorhomes ever built, a black and gray masterpiece that's as sleek as it is sophisticated. Every inch of this motorhome is designed with modern aesthetics, advanced technology, and ultimate comfort in mind. Let's begin our tour. Starting with the bedroom, this compact yet luxurious space is where relaxation meets high-end design. The room is bathed in a soft yellow LED glow, with light strips running along the edges of the bed, creating a warm, intimate atmosphere. The bed itself is upholstered in rich, dark leather, providing the perfect balance of comfort and style. Beside the bed, a minimalist side table holds a modern lamp, adding to the serene ambience. The room features a medium-sized window, partially covered with half curtains, allowing just the right amount of light to filter in while maintaining privacy. Next, let's move into the living lounge, where the atmosphere shifts into something even more stylish. The space is designed to be a relaxing yet functional gathering area. A deep black leather sofa takes center stage, with soft yellow LED lights highlighting its sleek curves. A glass coffee table sits in front, complementing the minimalist, contemporary design. Ambient lighting runs along the baseboards and ceiling, creating a cozy, inviting feel. The panoramic windows, partially covered by half curtains, offer a glimpse of the outside world while ensuring the space remains private and peaceful. The modern aesthetic of this lounge is balanced with the comfort of its seating and the warmth of the lighting, making it the perfect place to unwind after a long day of travel. Moving on to the kitchen, this motorhome truly feels like a luxury apartment. The polished black cabinetry gives it a sleek, sophisticated look, and the bright white countertops add a striking contrast, making the space feel open and airy. Integrated appliances, such as the induction cooktop, microwave, and refrigerator, blend seamlessly into the design, allowing for efficient use of space without compromising style. The medium-sized window offers just enough light, while half curtains maintain your privacy and create a perfect ambience for cooking. Whether you're preparing a quick meal or a gourmet dish, this kitchen offers all the tools you need to cook in style on the road. Now, let's take a look at the bathroom. Compact yet luxurious, this space is designed with both functionality and aesthetics in mind. The black glossy cabinetry pairs beautifully with the white marble sink and chrome fixtures, giving the bathroom a modern, clean look. The glass-enclosed shower features rainfall fixtures that elevate the experience, while soft yellow LED lighting enhances the room's tranquil atmosphere. The window, partially covered by half curtains, allows just enough natural light to make the space feel fresh and open. Every detail is curated to ensure that even the smallest room in the motorhome feels like a spa. Lastly, the driver's cabin is a perfect blend of futuristic design and comfort. The sleek dashboard is a high-tech marvel, with a digital control panel that allows you to manage everything with ease. The black leather captain's chair is ergonomically designed for long drives, ensuring maximum comfort. The panoramic windshield provides an unobstructed view of the road ahead. This motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle on wheels. From the luxurious bedroom to the elegant lounge, fully equipped kitchen, spa-like bathroom, and futuristic driver's cabin, every space has been thoughtfully designed to create a harmonious and sophisticated experience. It's a perfect balance of modern design and functional luxury. Imagine being on the road, with all the comforts of home, wherever your journey takes you. Would you trade your traditional home for this futuristic, luxurious motorhome? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more exclusive looks into the future of travel and luxury living.